Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour. Open your cameras. Very nice. All of you.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, children. Bonjour,
Good
élèves.
morning.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour,
ma'am.
beta. All of you, please call out your names for your attendance so that I can mark you all present. Yes, Atik. Let's
Rishika.
start with Atik. Next, after Atik,
Rishika.
Rishika. Next,
Ma'am, Anveshika.
Anveshika.
I'm
All right.
Hargun.
Argun.
I'm Karthik.
Karthik. That's all. Just 5 students.
5 जनों की class.
This is 6C and this is third period, right? Okay. One more entry, that's Pragyan.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
this is French class. Ma'am,
Yeah,
this is French class or Sanskrit class?
No, this is French class. You are from Sanskrit?
No, ma'am, French.
French. All of you present here are from French department, right? Okay. So all of you have your books now, or still you don't have them?
Ma'am, I don't have.
Ma'am, I am also.
Have. Okay, yes, Karthik, that's right. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Yes?
Ma'am, but I have the PDF.
You have the PDF. Okay. So Atish, please
Ma'am, I don't have.
share the PDF on the class group once again.
Okay, ma'am.
We
Ma'am,
were doing,
we are not going to fill the answers of the page number 13.
we are going to do it, beta. We'll do everything. Don't worry. We were doing chapter number 1, leçon 1, les salutations. Means greetings. What does it mean?
Greetings.
Les salutations
Greetings.
means greetings. So how we greet somebody when we meet in the morning, when we meet in the afternoon or in the evening, how we greet differently. My God, children are still joining. Huh? The class is supposed to begin at 9:05. All of you, those who've joined right now, open your cameras. Let me see your face. Ishika Mittal and Rupanshi Agarwal. I don't even know your faces, children. Angel, who is Nandini Mittal? It's Nandini Mittal. Open your camera.
Ma'am, Nandini is in Sanskrit.
Okay, so she's left. Gauranshi.
Ma'am, send the PDF.
Very nice. Now, those who need to see the PDF, please go and check your WhatsApp group, class group. Ishika Mittal, open your camera, beta. Show me your face.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is Angel? I don't know who Angel is. Okay, today, children.
Ma'am, can you please tell the pronunciation of attention?
Attention. T-I-O-N.
Ma'am, can you
T-I-O-N
tell
in French is T-I-O-N does not sound shun. Like in English, it sounds shun. Just write it down. In French, it is sillon. Sillon.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of nice looking in French?
Nice
looking.
What? Nice
Ma'am,
looking.
I want to know. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Looking good is like beautiful or good is bon.
Bon.
Bon. Yes. So
And ma'am, looking.
look, now look is a verb, children, that's regard there. So the whole sentence, if you will use, it will come like tu regard bon, like that. So we'll come on to that, don't worry. You'll come on to things even more difficult than this. Okay. Now, all of you open the PDF or your books to page number. What is the page number? Yes. 14. No, we had done till page number 15.
Yes,
Formal
ma'am. We
conversation
had.
and informal conversation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, coming on to the next one. Apprenons à répondre aux salutations. Page number 16, everybody. Those who do not have the book, please look into the class group. Atiksh has shared the PDF of this chapter.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, it will be après or répondre.
Apprenons. Apprenons
मम्मी
à
भाई को
répondre.
लाना
Beta, mute yourself.
ना खोल ले रहा है
Pragyan, mute yourself. Arav Mishra, mute yourself. Now today we'll try to finish this chapter along with its exercises. Is that clear? All of you take a pencil in your hand to write down the translation.
Ma'am, can you please tell
And
the
we can
spelling of
write in notebook?
translation also?
Yes, you can write in notebook also. What,
Ma'am,
Rishika?
can you please tell the Ma'am, can you please tell the spelling of translation also when you'll say?
Yes, I will tell you. Don't worry. Now, let's learn to yes.
Can I read?
You want to read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try to read.
Seva. Second, Seva beer. Third,
Okay,
Seva beer.
very nice. But it's not seva, it's sava. What do we say? Sava.
Sava bien.
See,
Sava bien.
now sava. When you ask somebody like, how are you? Como sava. The question is como sava means how are you? What is como? All of you remember? COMMENT. In English, we would
Yes,
say
ma'am, how are you?
comment.
How are
Comment.
you?
But in French, the word is pronounced as comment, which means how. So, comment ça va means how are you? Now, if you're fine, what will you say? Ça va. Fine. Next. Arsh Patel, read out the next one.
Seva beer.
Very nice. Ça va bien. Ça va bien is fine, good. Like, you are more than fine. You say, ça va bien.
Ma'am, what is Sava? Ma'am, what is
Sava
Sava?
is fine. Sava is fine. Like in French you ask Sava. Sava can be asked for question also. Like how are you? And the reply can be the same. Sava means fine. Okay, Sava is a question also. Sava is answer also. It only depends on your tone. What tone you give it. Sava, Sava, like that. Then next, ça va bien is very nice. Good. After that, Arsh Patel, read.
Sava beer. Messy.
Okay. Ça va bien, merci means fine, thank you. Merci. What is merci? Thank you.
Thank you.
Next,
Pama.
pas mal. Now it is pronounced as pas mal. Pa means not, and mal means bad. Not bad.
Ma'am, what together tell the meaning of Sava beer mercy?
Merci. Ça va bien, merci. Fine, thank you. Merci is thank you.
And Sava bien.
Ça va bien is fine, good. Bien means good. Bien in French is good. Next.
I don't know this one.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Comme si, comme ça.
Can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Comme si, comme ça.
Comme si, comme ça. What is it? Comme si,
Comme
comme
si,
ça.
comme ça.
So that means,
Comme si,
okay,
comme ça.
neither too good nor too bad. Okay, okay. So.
Savama.
Sava mal. Sava mal is, just a minute. Okay. Sava mal. Sava mal is not bad. Sorry, I am bad. Sava mal. See, sava bien is fine, good. And sava mal when you're not good, when you are actually feeling bad, then you say sava mal.
Can you please repeat again?
Sava mal is I'm bad. Like if you're
Ma'am,
not
can you
good,
please
if you're
tell
not
from
in a good
past mal?
mood or you're ill, you're sick, then you say sava mal. You've
And then
got some
pass
pain.
mal.
Pa mal is not bad. Not bad. Pa means not and mal means bad. So that means when you want to say I'm not bad, not bad, matlab ठीक, then we say pa mal. You have to write all these moods in your copy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing also.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, comme si, comme ça is
Comme si,
not
comme
good,
ça.
not bad.
Yes. Neither good nor bad.
And ma'am, sava mal.
Sava mal is when you are bad. Written?
Ma'am, what is the
Written, ma'am.
Sava be mercy?
Sava bien is better when you are good.
Ma'am, sava is. Ma'am,
Sava
sava
is
is I'm
fine.
fine.
Sava is fine.
Sava
Sava
is
bien
fine,
is
I'm
good.
fine. Ma'am, sava is I'm fine. Sava bien is fine, good. Sava bien mercy is I'm fine, thank you. Pasma is
Pamal.
not bad. Pamal is not bad. Come si come sa is neither good nor bad. And sava mal is I am bad.
Yes, Sava mal is bad. Okay. Then
Ma'am, written.
now coming on to the next part. Apprenant, apprendre, congé. Now, how do we say goodbye? How to say goodbye? One is au revoir. When you say a normal bye, what is that called in French? That's called au revoir. Now see what it is written, au revoir. But how do we speak it when we speak? Au revoir. Au revoir.
Over.
Yes, au revoir.
Ma'am,
Over.
Au revoir. Voir. Au revoir.
Over.
Yes.
Over.
A little r sound in between. We don't really say it au revoir. Au revoir is no word, but au revoir, au revoir, like that.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Over.
Yes.
Over.
Yes.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Ma'am, what
Ten.
it is written? Apprions are
Prendre. Apprenons. Apprendre. Congé. Let's learn to say goodbye.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is Pamal?
Pamal, not bad. Pamal is not bad.
Ma'am, can you please tell the pronunciation again of apprion,
Prendre.
apprendre?
It's prendre. En sound in French is prendre. Apprenons à prendre congé. Apprenons à prendre congé. Yes.
Now, what is the pronunciation of the written after au revoir?
Au revoir. It's written à bientôt. À bientôt, which means see you soon. When you're going somewhere and you have to return, so what do you say? See you soon, right? So that's like à bientôt.
And ma'am,
what we call see you
what
later.
is in the left side in the corner?
Okay, we'll come on to that, beta. Have you written this much? Au revoir, à bientôt. Write it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, written.
Yes,
Now-
written.
Now, when you are going and you have to come back within no time, that is like you're just going and coming back. Okay, see you right back, like how we say in French, or see you very soon. So that's called à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. See you very soon. À tout à l'heure. Then, after that, we have bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. That means have a good evening. When you depart, you wish somebody, like now rest of the day he has to have on his own. So what do you say? Have a good evening. Bye. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Don't we wish like that? So bonne soirée means
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
good evening. And above that, see, it's bonne journée, which means have a good day. Now, when we meet somebody, what do we say? Good day. We don't say have a good day, right? We only say it when we depart. So when we
Ma'am,
meet,
can you
it's
repeat this one?
bonjour. When we
Ma'am, what
meet,
is-
yes,
Ma'am, what is abiento?
à bientôt, see you soon.
And ma'am, what you said right now, have a good evening.
Have a good evening is bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. SOIREE. Bonne soirée. While leaving, we say, and bonne journée. Also, when we say a goodbye, we can say bonne journée, have a good day. But we don't say bonne journée when we meet. When we meet, what do we say? Bonjour. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, after that, we have à plus tard. À plus tard means see you later. See you later. À plus tard.
Ma'am, which one?
À plus tard. PLUS. Can you see? See you later.
Ma'am, what's the pronunciation?
À plus tard. À plus tard.
Apryuta.
Ma'am, what is the translation of this?
See you later. Written?
Ma'am, Bon Nuit is good night.
Yes, Bon Nuit is good night. And then we have Adama. Adama is see you tomorrow.
What is the meaning of Jolly?
Ma'am, I can
Meaning of
understand
what?
anything.
Better, we'll come on to that. Wait. We'll come on to the next page also.
Ma'am, I want to know what is the meaning
Ma'am,
of
what
Jolly.
is the translation of Adama?
Adama is see you tomorrow. Adama, see you tomorrow.
Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of it? Adama?
Pronunciation is Adama. Dama. Adama.
Now, what is the pronunciation of vineyard?
Pronunciation of what?
Ma'am, vineyard, vineyard.
Okay, abiento. Abiento.
Ma'am,
Clear?
what is the translation of
Abiento. Yes?
abiento? Ma'am, what is the translation of after abiento?
It's
Ma'am, bon
atutaler. Atutaler.
Atuta,
Atutaler.
atuta.
Atutaler.
So, what is the meaning?
Meaning is see you very soon.
Ma'am, I can't understand
And
anything.
ma'am, Bon après-midi is good afternoon.
Yes. You're not being able to understand what, beta?
Ma'am, Pragyan says that he could not understand anything.
You should not understand what?
Ma'am, anything in French.
Yes, ma'am, I can't understand anything.
You can't understand anything. Okay. So is it for the first time that you're joining this class?
No, ma'am, third time.
Third
Third or
time.
fourth time.
And how many of you feel the same? Like Pragyan? Tell me frankly. So Pragyan, beta, you're the only one. Bache, what are you not being able to understand? Tell me.
Ma'am, I can't say the word in French.
You can't
And
say.
can
You're
understand
finding.
the meaning.
Okay. See, beta, when you are learning a new language, you have to you will come across a lot of new things, new patterns, new structures, new rules of this language. So you have to be very open to learning new things. French altogether is pronounced in a very different way. Right? It has a different pronunciation. Now there are different ways of meeting somebody, there are different ways of wishing somebody, how you react when somebody is asking you how are you, there are different ways of replying to it. So we are just doing all that. Are you writing the pronunciation and the translation while I'm speaking? Are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you have to learn it. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for some reason, ma'am, I came late.
For some reason.
Ma'am, I came late in the class.
Okay.
So, ma'am, can you tell what you are doing?
We are doing greetings. We are doing the chapter only, beta, that we are doing from the beginning. The chapter has not yet it's not completed till now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am,
you
can
now
you
have to
tell the
see the
page number?
recording.
What we are reading?
Yes. What is? What are you asking, Vivan?
Ma'am, I was asking that what is the page number?
Page number is 16. We are on page number 16 now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's. Yes.
Yeah, I was saying that. What's the translation of Atwell Larry?
Which one? Atuta Lair. This one. Atuta Lair means see you soon. See you very soon. Like we say in English, see you right back. So that's Atuta Lair. See you right back.
And ma'am, the last one's translation is
Good afternoon. Bon après-midi is good afternoon. Okay. All right. Now, children, see. I'm sharing a song with you. In that, a lot will be clear to you by listening to the pronunciation. Now, how can I share the song with you? Can I share it here?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
click on the share button.
No, I'll share screen, and what next will I have to do? Here only on YouTube,
Ma'am,
I'll have to
dialog
search.
box
First
will
you have
open
to
in the
click on.
First,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
first you have to click on the
click on
green
share
button, share screen. That will that come in screen that you have to click. You can go on YouTube and that you can play the song.
Yes. Now let me do that. Wait.
and first, ma'am,
Ma'am, you have to
first
choose
press
a
the
tab.
share button.
Wait, beta, wait. Hmm. Okay, now I'll do it. Share screen and then this
Ma'am, don't choose whiteboard.
one. Whiteboard. I haven't chosen any whiteboard. Can you listen to it? Can you see it?
Not yet, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is not moving. Ma'am, we can see your screen, but the song is not playing.
Yes. Wait. It will play.
Ma'am, that's an extra problem.
Oh, something has happened. What the hell?
Ma'am, I can see 3 cursor in your
Can you see it
screen.
now?
Ma'am, we can see but cannot hear it.
I can't hear it. How will you be able to hear it?
Ma'am, there is no system such.
Wait.
It on the basis.
on the WhatsApp group. We will see from the WhatsApp group.
Okay, listen, children, listen. Okay, listen, children, what I'll do is I'm sharing the same song with you on class group. Okay, just have a look over there. That would be fine, no?
Yes, ma'am, I can see it.
See what? I've
I
shared
can
the
see your
Monster Math presents
Yes, one of you play it here only. Let me listen to it here. Yes, play it, beta.
Ma'am, may I share the screen if there is
can I play?
anything?
Beta, now
can I
play
play the
it on your WhatsApp only. Let's not play it here. Let's not waste time. Play it on WhatsApp. Listen to the song.
Ma'am, what we have to do in this time?
Ma'am, I have played.
Can somebody what we have to do in this time?
What, Pragyan? Pragyan, what are you asking?
Ma'am, shall I play the song?
हाँ बेटा play करो ना. What are you waiting for?
Ma'am, he said something questions. That was the second line. What is
Beta,
that?
please let the song get finished and then I will tell everything. Don't speak in between. Done?
Ma'am, it is playing.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is over.
Ma'am, how we pronounce trains? Dia.
Très bien.
Oh.
It's called très bien.
What is Kome Batu?
Who is speaking in between?
And what is the meaning of Gomosawa?
Now see, I told you in the beginning, Komosawa means how are you? Komosawa, how are you?
And it was a very good song.
Yes, it's a very nice song. And it will clarify, it will clear your pronunciation also.
Excuse me, ma'am, what was the meaning of Kome Vasu?
What is the meaning of?
Kome Vasu. तुम उधर बैठ जाओ प्लीज
Goranshi, please mute yourself.
मैम कौमे वासु
Beta, what are you asking? I can't understand you people today.
मैम
you people
what is the
asking?
meaning of कौमे वासु
Komavatyu. Okay, it's Komavatyu. Komavatyu is how do you go? How are you? Komavatyu is again a way of asking how are you? It's like Komosawa. Okay? What is what? Ask. Any other confusion, children?
मैम what is the meaning of mausi
Okay, Mua Ossi. Mua Ossi is me too. Mua Ossi means me too.
and otui
Etwa. Etwa. Etwa is and you. Etwa means and you.
okay
Okay. So how do you say if you are good? I ask you, Como ça va? What is your reply today? Everybody tell me. Como ça va?
Como es-tu?
Sava,
Very
Sava
nice.
Mercy. Como
Ça va,
Sava
merci.
Mercy.
And Vivan, what is your reply? Como ça va?
Como ça va you?
No, you're asking me, Como ça va with you? How are you? I'm asking you, how are you? Como ça va means, how are you? So how are you? You have to tell. Are you good? Are you good, Vivan? So say, ça va bien.
Ça va bien.
Very nice. Karamjeet Singh, Como ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
Very nice. Kartik Khandelwal, Como ça va?
Kamal.
Kamal, not bad. Oh, very nice. Goranshi, Como va
Excuse
you?
me, ma'am. What is the meaning? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of wait a minute. Très bien, oui.
Très bien means very good. Très bien, very good. Oui means yes.
Ma'am, what is Kuma?
And ma'am, why aussi?
Moi aussi means me too. Moi aussi, me too.
Ma'am, what is Como what you?
How are you? Como ça va is also how are you? Como va tu is also how are you?
And ma'am, what is the meaning of tu vas bien?
Tu vas bien? Are you fine? Tu vas bien? Comment vas-tu? Tu vas bien. Comment vas-tu? How are you? Tu vas bien? You are fine? Tu vas bien? You are fine? When she says in the song, tu vas bien? And there's a question mark. The reply comes, très bien, oui. Very good, yes. Très bien is very good. Oui means yes. Tu vas bien? Très bien, oui. Moi aussi, me too. Now you got that? Beta, aap
Yes,
Me too is
okay, Karamjeet, aap plus tard means see you later. See you later. Now, next what I was telling was, oh my God, now children, it's time for the next class. It's, let me share the link of the other class. Any other question anyone has?
ma'am, what we will say to me too?
Me too is moi aussi. Write it down. Moi aussi.
Ma'am, please tell this.
M-O-I. M-O-I means moi. And O-C means, how do you spell O-C? A-U-S-S-I. Moi aussi. Karamjeet, the pronunciation of see you later, beta? A plus tard. A plus tard. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to revise all these greetings, how to say goodbye, how to meet somebody and all. Okay, next class we are going to revise it and listen to the song once again. Now you'll understand it better. Okay? Goodbye to all of you.
Ma'am, what is très bien, oui?
Très bien, very good. Yes. Very good, yes. Très bien, oui.